Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is your lecture number 2 that is based on the topic miracles of hope. Go to page, open your book, go to page number 125. Here is an exercise A of comprehension. It says arrange the sentences in the sequence they occur in the story. Have you to listen the story whatever I have told you in the previous lecture, miracles of hope. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to arrange all these sentences in a sequence, in the sequence they occurred in the story. Okay, you have to do this task by yourself. Now moving to the next page, page number 126. Here's another task for you. Use the given words and phrases in the sentences of your own. So what are the words or phrases that is given over here on page number 126? Day in and day out. Number 2, 4 hours on end. Number 3, to live in. Number 4, picturesque. Number 5, appropriate. Number 6, first look. Number 7, compelled. You have to make the sentences of all these words. Okay, what you have to do, you have to make sentences of all these words. Okay, now there is another topic for you, that is language structure. Today we will learn about phrasal verb in language structure, and we will learn only a particular word, run. Here are some phrasal verb with the run. Number 1 is run across, means that meet by chance. Here is a sentence for this phrasal verb. I ran across my childhood friends in the market yesterday. Did you get it? Number 2, run after. Chase to or try to catch. The cat was running after the mouse. Number 3, run away. Means escape from. Do not run away from difficulties. Face them bravely. Number 4, run down. Stop functioning, lose power, hit and knock to the ground. The speeding car ran down an old blind man. Run out, be used up, finished. We are running out of time. Here is an exercise A. Exercise, it says complete the following sentences using appropriate form of run, like run away, run across, run after, run down, and run out. Okay, so let's start it. We should never dash our desire, they cause disappointment. Run away. Okay, so number 2 is the battery of my car had dash, run down. Number 3 is it is said that the world will soon dash of petrol, run out. Number 4, hardworking peoples never dash from studies, run away. Number 5, when two friends dash each other last week after a long time, the two friends run across each other last week after a long time. Number 6, Tom dashed Jerry but was unable to catch him, run after. Number 7, the turbine dashed last night, run down. Okay student, moving to the next page, that is page number 127. What you have to do, here is a recap of present perfect continuous tense. So we have to fill the blanks. The exercise says fill in the blanks with the perfect present perfect continuous tense of the verb in the bracket. The interviewer dash candidate for 3 hours has been interviewing candidate for 3 hours. Maria dash to buy a diamond ring since August. Maria has been saving to buy a diamond ring since August. We dash to contact you since Thursday. We have been trying to contact you since Thursday. Number 4. I dash for an hour. I have been waiting for an hour. Number 5. The children have been playing since morning. Number 6. Najma has dash English since she was it must be came here she was 5. Sorry student, here the word is Najam. Najam dash English since he was 5. Najam has been studying English since he was 5. Okay, so number 7 is the students dash for the examination for 1 year. The student have been preparing the examination for 1 year. Daniel dash sums since none. Daniel has been solving sums since noon. Okay, students, here's a recap of twins word. Words that are often paired together are called twin word. They enrich our vocabulary and add beauty to the language like kith and kin, long and short, to and fro, down and out, hale and hearty, day and night, lock and key, pure and simple, back and forth, body and soul, cash and carry, rough and ready, 6 and 7, beck and call, art and craft, there and then, high and low, throw and throw. Okay, these are the twins word. Now moving to the next page, page number 128. Here are tasks for you. Number exercise A, complete the following twin word. The twin word are given on the page number 127. You have to look from there and you have to solve this exercise. Okay, you have to complete the twin word. So next one is complete the following sentences with suitable twin word. Okay, again here is an exercise related to twin word. And exercise C is complete the following sentences using appropriate twin word. Okay, again you have to complete all these tasks with the twin word by using twin word. Did you get it? Okay, another task is for you. Write a letter to your friend telling him about your favorite time pass. You have written a letter already. Now, taking that pattern in your mind, you have to write a letter to your friend telling him about their favorite time pass. Okay, student, take care. Allah Hafiz.